9 most dangerous and extreme railways in the world. Landweser Viaduct, Switzerland. It is a single-track 6-arched curved limestone railway viaduct. It spans the Landweser between Schmitten and Philisse. It is the signature structure of World Heritage-listed Albula Railway. It's high, long and one of its ramp directly exit to Landweser Tunnel. Chennai, Rameshwaram route, India. Rameshwaram is one of the most sacred pilgrimage destination in India. The Chennai-Rameshwaram route involves a beautiful stretch of 65 meters which actually runs over an ocean. The bridge occasionally gets flooded by seawater. The train's speed is limited to only 15 miles an hour, as it traverses from mainland to island and back. Pilatus Railway, Switzerland. It is the steepest cogwheel railway in the world. One has to travel to the station at 7,000 feet above sea level. This train travels from Alpnachstad to Pilatus Kulm. It also travels from alpine meadows and mountains. Meklong Railway, Thailand. Would you believe, the Meklong Railway runs right through the middle of the market. When the train approaches, the vendors pull up the covering back from rails. Once the train passes, the vendors lower their canopies and get back to their business. The train speed is only 30 kilometers per hour and surprisingly the train doesn't have any signals on its line. White Pass and Yukon route, Alaska. Believe it or not, this train travels up to 3,000 feet in less than 20 miles of its distance. This trip would take you to one of the most scenic locations of the world. One can enjoy the breathtaking views of mountains, glaciers and waterfalls. Trenes Las Nubes, Argentina. This railroad located in north-central Argentina is an absolute engineering marvel. This rail route took around 27 years to be completely constructed. The route comprises of 21 tunnels, 13 massive bridges, endless zigzag routes and spirals. The aesthetic brilliance of this route goes hand in hand with its treacherous track. Devil's Nose train route, Ecuador. This route passes through a 12 km stretch in Ecuador. Hold your breath as this route even has a 500 meters drop which is almost vertical in inclination. This descent is not made for the faint-hearted. A moving train taking a free fall probably wouldn't be the best seat to be in. The Death Railway, Burma. This railway route is known by the name Death Railway owing to a tragic reason. The trains which travel on this unpredictable, mountainous route are completely exposed, since there is no real protection from falling off the tracks into the deep valleys below. There is much to this beyond the construction. While being built, approximately 100,000 POW lost their lives. Azominami route, Japan. This railroad track passes through Japan's most active volcanic region. People remain unaware of when the next eruption might occur. One can even see the lava burnt close to the forest.